Hello everyone, today our day 2 of the practical class. Today our aim is to calculate strength of KMnO4 solution in molarity and in gram per liter, and also to calculate the percentage purity of KMnO4 solution in the given sample. So KMnO4 solution is C10 as it was previous day, and more salt solution that is of C11. So we need to calculate strength of more salt solution as well in terms of molarity. So just like previous day, the burette is filled up with C10 solution, which is impure sample of KMnO4. A white paper is placed so that we can see the change in color properly. Then we need to pipette out C11 solution. I have used here 20 ml of pipette. So if you can see 20 ml marking it is, and now this solution will transfer to the conical flask. One test tube of dilute sulfuric acid, that is C12 solution. Now we shall start the titration process. This is how you should hold the conical flask and the burette. Slowly and drop wise you need to add the C10 solution from the burette, and remember, when the color persists, that is your end point. One drop color is changed, that should be your end point or the perfect reading. Just remember that we should rinse the burette with supplied solution of C10 solution before filling it up with the KMnO4 solution for the titration. Also the apparatus used must be clean. This is the final color. As it is colored solution, so you should check the upper meniscus. So that's 19.1. This is the end point. We will use the reading for the further calculation. Now about writing, I hope you all have completed writing the day 1's practical, day 2 practical as you wrote in day 1 practical. Similar way aim, then procedure as the previous day. I am not writing again, I am not repeating it again. Similarly, result and calculation, tabulation and capacity of pipette used, titer value we have intended in the calculation, and once again to remind that we take the concordant reading, everything of this part as it was there on the previous day. Then the calculation part comes. So molarity, initially we are calculating the molarity of C11 solution, as here pure sample is C11. So first we will calculate the molarity of C11. Writing the formula, weight in grams per liter divided by the molecular weight. Molecular weight of more salt is 392, and as it is supplied in the question paper, 23.2 grams per liter. So we are getting this one as a molarity, as it was stated previous day that minimum of 4 decimal places we need to take. Next, calculation of molarity of C10 solution, where we have used this formula, and again for this part, what is M1, what is M2, this again you need to mention against each of this M1, M2, V1, V2, all these you need to write in the file, that you need to complete, and then writing the formula and putting the values, and finally getting the strength in molarity. Third is strength of C10 in gram per liter. Now C10 solution that is supplied as impure sample. As you have seen here, we have used the concordant reading from our burette, that is 19.1, and then we have got this, and now the formula molarity into molecular weight of KMnO4. Molecular weight of KMnO4 is 158, and as we have received the molarity, and then finally fourth one is percentage purity, that is strength in gram per liter divided by the weight of the impure sample. Now weight of the impure sample, as it is mentioned in the question paper, it is 2.5 gram. So 1.95 as we have received from here, and then putting these values we are getting the percent, that is 78.3048%, that is the percentage of purity of KMnO4 solution. So these are the two types that come in examination. One is about the X calculation, another is a percentage purity of KMnO4. Next day our practical class we will be focusing in another redox titration that we have, that is KMnO4 and oxalic acid titration. So see you in the next class. Till then, take care and bye.